Okay, so welcome back. We're going to be solving question 35 from the fundamentals of electric circuits. And in this question, we have this graph on the right-hand side that represents the power drawn by an industrial plant between 8 to 8:30 a.m. We need to calculate the total energy in megawatt hour consumed by the planet. So we solved the question in the previous videos for this chapter that for finding the energy, we know the power is equal to the rate of energy, or we have energy over time. What we need to do in here is just basically go over each of these time interval that we have. And if we look at the figure, we'll see that from 8 to 8:05, we have 5 megawatt going further, 8:05 to 8:10, 4, 8:10 to 8:15, 3 megawatt. We're gonna have 8 in here, and the last one here is also 4. And we just need to watch for the unit in here because we have to find it megawatt hour, and what we see on the time is basically we have the changes in minutes. So if we just want to find the energy, we have to find the total energy here would be, so here we can see that the energy is equal to power times time. Basically, we have to find sum of all these values. So let's start with the first interval, 5 minutes times 5. So 5 times 5 can divide it by 60 to get it in hour. And our second ratio 4, again, we have a 5 minutes interval times 60, and we have 3 times 5 minute, again divided by 60, plus another 5 minute, 8 times 5 divided by 60, plus our last interval we have from 8:20 to 8:30, so we have 10 minutes, so 10 times 4 divided by 60. We just have to calculate this, and this is going to give us the answer in megawatt hour. All right, so we have 5 times 5, 25, plus 4 times 5, 20, plus 3 times 5, 15, plus 8 times 5, 40, plus 10 times 4, 40 again. And we just have to divide this value by 60, which is going to give us 2.333 repeating. And yeah, that's going to be the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.